Hi everyone. Now let's talk about octal form. Last class we have seen binary form. Now it's octal form now. So let's see what is octal form. The name represents itself octal, that is 8, right? So here the base value for octal form is 8, okay? So base value for octal form is 8. How we can say base value will be 8? So it will accept values from 0 to 7. So that's why total it will be 8 values. So we have 8 values accepting here. That's why we can say base value will be 8. Now, but when we are observing octal form, but we need to use, okay, we need to use prefix. We need to use prefix as 0 small o, or you can say 0 capital O in front of the value, okay, in front of the value. How we have done binary form, same thing, same like that. So in front of the value here. Now when we use, if you observe in the project anywhere 0 small o or 0 capital O, then that will consider, you can consider that is a octal form data, or you can say octal data. So not like O then 0. No, not like that. So it will be 0 O or 0 capital O. Make sure about it. Very, very important. Now, let's see here. When you are taking the data like this, then A equal to 0 small o 1 2 3 int of A. Then execute. 83 is coming. I will explain why it is coming. Then A equal to 0 capital O, then 1 2 3. So now when we are using two zeros, it is showing red color. That means Python will identify immediately, in the line by line it will identify errors here. It's not like after the writing program, then Python will not show errors. So each and every time we can get to know. So when we execute, it is invalid token. Okay. So A is equal to 0, or you can say 0 capital O 1 2 3. Then it's fine, because we have to go as per the Python standard definitions, not our own. Okay. So then 83 is coming. So now how this 83 is coming? Let's see here once again. So now what we need to discuss here. So just we'll see here what will happen. Now what is the data we have seen? The data 1 2 3, right? So you can pass values here. So now observe here, whatever the values we have defined, then you can say 1 2 then 3. So that means here base value will be, because it's a octal form, okay, octal form, then base value is 8, right? So then we have to use base value each and every time here. Now just as we know, this will take from 0, then 1, then 3. How many values? It will start from like this. Now calculate the part. So how it will be means, then you can take values calculation part here. So 3 inside the box into base value will be 8. So that means 8 power 0. Then here you can say inside the value 2, then 8, then 8 power 1. So now let's see 1 into 8 cube. That's it. So now you can say 8 cube here, sorry, 8 square, not cube. Sorry for the classifications here. 0, then 1, then 2 here. Then you can observe 3 into base value will be 1 second. So base value will be 8. 3 into 8 power 0. Okay. Then here you can take calculations 2 into 8 power 1. Okay. So then 1 into 8 square. So that means, so 1 into 8 square in the sense 64 plus 2 into 8 plus 3 into 8 power 1. So that means 64 plus 16 plus then 3. So total it will be 83. So that means we need to add the sum here. Okay. So like this we can able to calculate octal form. So like that's why we are getting value for 1, 2, 3 like this 83 value. So now let us understand again here, when you are giving a value in a different way, if you are giving 1, 2, 3, 8 here, so now 1, 2, 3, 8 is not accepted because it is taking from 0 to 7. Okay, but make sure it should, if it is there in prefix value 0, small o or capital O, you can consider that will be octal form. You can take any values in between 3, 4, 5, 6, then 2, 0, 8, 0, 7 you can take. Not a problem, we'll get value. But when you have value like this, which is outside of octal form like 0 to 7, if you are passing out of that number, it will throw an error. So make sure this will be octal form explanation. So please take it 3 to 4 examples from your side and try to do it your own. Okay, you can get complete understanding about octal form. So thank you so much. See you in the next class.